Hello everyone, today I present some Prospex Seiko. And what is your fave? A Kinetic Seiko Prospex, automatic, or a solar Prospex? I have several Prospex model and I show you. Yep, here we go. This one is a Seiko Kinetic Prospex. This one is particular because this model don't have the X of Prospex on the dial like the other. It's the Prospex, a true Prospex, but without this X, and make this one so unusual and so badass with this shark mesh. Prospex Kinetic. If you can push here, this button, you can show the power reserve of the movement. So cool timepiece. Is my sport timepiece. Just run with this one this morning. Second one, a solar one and a cult model, like we can see. It's a Seiko Solar Diver. All are diver timepiece with 200 meters water resist. This one is just put on the 007 NATO strap for perfect lock. Straps are often from cheapest NATO strap for me, or like this rubber or this NATO, because super quality. Hope you enjoy this one. It's a solar movement, very cool, very classy design, classic with this shroud. The quality is unbelievable. I love this watch so much, and I have this one since 1 year. This one I have since 2 or 3 years yet. This one 2 years, and this one 3 years yet. The last one is the Seiko Solar. And I finish the quick presentation of the Seiko with these two models, the Turtle and the Baby Tuna, two automatic timepiece of the Prospex lineup. Like we can see, the Pepsi one and the Bumblebee. All are perfect. This one is just upgraded by by a friend with a better water resist at 200 meters after a little problem last summer. And this one is true original, just with another strap like Tropic. It's a Pepsi one. Both are the same movement, like we can see. Stainless steel. 4R36 movement. In these two timepiece. Hop. Say me, what is your fave on comment? The automatic, the solar, or the kinetic? Have a good Sunday, my follower, and stay at home. Bye bye.